Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can add transitions, or how you can animate transitions, better say, in Google Slide for your presentation. So let's say that I have myself here some preset of intro, and as you can see, nothing happens. So let's animate it. First, what we are going to do, I will click here on an intro, right click on it and animate. Now, as you can see, it will automatically put fade in on click. So right now, this one is fade in on click. You can fade out it, fade in, fly in from the left, fly out the bottom, on click after previous. So we are going to leave it on click, and we can go with the, like, I don't know, little bit by the fast. You can also add a different kind of animation. So let's say that I want to also fade out. Okay. And now let's say that we want to animate this text here. So what I'm going to do, I will add animation. So we see it here, the choose one approach. You can see it always here what you're animating. I'm going to fade in on click and also fade out on click, and everything will be fast. So let's play it. Click, click. Okay, but what we need to have is to have fade out under. So we see fade in, and then fade out, fade out. And let's make it fast. So in this order it will go. So let's play it again. Okay, intro. See fade in, fade out, fade out. What we can do is to make it like in this order. So the first intro will appear, then text will appear, intro will go away, and fade out will go away. What we can do now also is to have these two animate. So click on it, add animation, and we are going to do fly from the left after previews, and it will be in the beginning, and then we will have also this one, add animation for the Y, and also fly it from the left with previews. So let's see how it seems. Wow. Click, 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 click. And then the last thing what we can do, guys, is to fade. This white background with the sticker would fly out left or right side. So add animation. Then we are going to fly it out to right, and it will go after previews, and add animation. No. We need to click on this. Add animation, fly it out to right with previews. So what we want now is that it will fly in, then it will fade in, fade out, and it will be move away. So let's play it. Okay. Intro, text, intro goes, bang. See ya. Easy. And then we got it. So this is how you can add transitions in your Google Slide. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. Thank you. Have a great day and see ya.